friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make crispy fried sweet corn. Very easy and tasty recipe. Definitely a treat for sweet corn lovers. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, I've taken 1 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels. To this, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix. Heat sufficient amount of oil in a pan. When the oil is nice and hot, drop few corn kernels and fry for 2 minutes in medium flame. Once the sweet corn kernels turn nice and crispy, remove them. Now we have fried all the kernels. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and few chopped coriander leaves. Give it a nice mix. Now your delicious crispy fried sweet corn is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. You can also drizzle a few drops of lemon juice if you prefer to. So very easy and delicious recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.